aliw ng buong mundo para hanapin ka. Malibot ang distrito ng iyong lupa, pupulutin ka. Sinusundo kita, sinusundo. Everybody now! Asahan mo mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Asahan mo. Ay, meron. Mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Thank you so much! O, diba?
Kasi, ang galing na represent ng A1. They're representing, expressing their individuality, their creativity, and, syempre, empowerment. Self-love din, which is all about that. All about self-love and all about self-empowerment. Because kailangan natin talaga. It's not just makeup, it's the message. That's why I'm so happy that I'm part of this family. Thank you so much.